Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Instagram username. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Watch this video till the end so you will know how to change Instagram username. Now let's get straight into the process. Open your Instagram app. Here we go. Your home page appears. Now at the bottom right corner you can see your profile icon. Tap on that. Now your profile appears. Now go to the option edit profile. Now here you can see different options. Tap on that option username. Now you can clear your username and create new username for your Instagram account. After you are done, you can tap on done at the top right corner in this way. Okay, this username is not available. I will be entering new username. Also, you cannot change your username for 14 days. After that, you can easily change your username. Now, I will be tapping on done. You can see that my username has been updated. In this way, you can also change your Instagram username. I hope now you guys are clear about how to change Instagram username. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you guys get notified every time we post new videos. Comment down below what you guys wanna see next. Thank you.